Why do you have low estrogen and what can you do about it? Let's talk about it. If you have low estrogen, there are a few reasons that might be. Number one, ovarian failure, meaning you've literally run out of eggs. You need to have so many oocytes whose theca cells are able to produce enough androgens to convert into estrogen. And once you start losing those oocytes, you cannot produce enough estrogen. Ovarian failure is typically called premature ovarian failure in women under the age of 40 and perimenopause or menopause over the age of 40. In order to check your ovarian reserve, your healthcare provider will order a serum anti-Mullerian hormone. To check if your estrogen levels are truly low, you can get a serum FSH on day 3 to 5 if you're still menstruating, or any time of the month if you're not. And FSH over 15 to 20 when you're still menstruating means your estrogen levels are low. If your FSH is over 30, that indicates menopause. Number 2, hypothalamic dysfunction. You may have low estrogen because you have hypothalamic dysfunction. We commonly see that with hypothalamic amenorrhea, where hypothalamus is not functioning normally so that you're not producing enough gonadotropin-releasing hormone, and your pituitary does not stimulate your ovaries to produce estrogen. Hypothalamic dysfunction is classic in perimenopause and menopause and can be mitigated with hypothalamic nutraceutical support with Genesis Gold. Number 3, poor diet. Your estrogen can be low if you're undernourished or malnourished. Your hypothalamus is incredibly sensitive to your nutrition. A plant-based diet rich in healthy fats and adequate protein can help balance your hormones. Number 4, not enough body fat. You need body fat for the storage of estrogen. Excessive exercise can cause hypothalamic dysfunction and hypothalamic amenorrhea, and that will cause lower levels of estrogen production as well. Decreasing excessive exercise and gaining some weight can help. Number 5, stress. High levels of stress, especially over time, can activate your HPA axis, which will interfere with your hypothalamic pituitary ovarian axis, resulting in low estrogen. Lowering your stress or mitigating your stress reaction with mind-body exercises can help. Getting enough sleep can reduce physiological stress and help balance your hormones. To raise your estrogen levels naturally, you must support your hypothalamus nutraceutically. Your hypothalamus is not protected by the blood-brain barrier, so it's sensitive to what you eat as well as nutraceuticals, which is why Genesis Gold is effective at treating hypothalamic dysfunction. If you have any questions, please join us in our hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.